This is not a movie trailer. It's 100% AI generated, no actors, no camera, no studio, just one line of text and an algorithm called VO3. And the crazy part, you can use it right now for free. And I have been in the YouTube space for a couple of years. I've seen editing softwares evolve, DSLR cameras get replaced by iPhones, and now this AI just recreates Hollywood level video just from your imagination. Google's View 3 is a massive leap in AI filmmaking, but it's not open to everyone. They kept it gated, and most people don't even know where to start. So, in this video, I'm showing you exactly how to access and use for free,
Understood.
step by step. I'll break down how to get in, how to write prompts that actually work, and how to export your cinematic clips without spending a single buck. First things first, come to this website. I'll provide the link in the description. This is the official homepage. And here you will be see two options. First, we try with Gemini, and the second one we try with Flow. In the form, keep it. You'll have to log in at first whenever you're trying to get into your flow. Click here and you'll have to log in first. And by the way, it's giving month subscription for free, right? And you can use any as much as email as you want, as simple as that. So once you're inside, the interface is clean. Just click on new project and type your prompt, whatever you want to give. For example, I'll simply give this prompt. It's a pretty basic prompt. A drone shot of a futuristic Tokyo at night, neon lights, rain falling in slow motion, and let's see. And boom, Gemini started, VO3 started to generating a 1080p video. You can select the aspect ratio, you can select the output per prompt, their video model. You can select the aspect ratio, lengths, and tweak or remix prompts for variation. It's built for storytelling, not just random clips. And the render time is around 1 to 2 minutes. You can watch it, download it, and even combine multiple clips for editing. Now, here's the thing. Here's where, and as you can see, the video is it's not that perfect yet, but here's where 95% of users mess up. They don't know how to write prompts. This is not mid journey. You need cinematic language. Try stuff like handheld shot inspired by Day Journal. Simply, for example, I'll give this prompt, which is handheld shot inside a neon lit underground hacker lab, glowing monitors, steam rising, cyberpunk atmosphere inspired by Blade Runner. Let's see what it generates. As you can see, the video is generated. That's how you can get those cinematic videos. Let me give you another example. This is the another prompt that I'm going to use. Here's another one that shares the method. As you can see, if you want your results, your videos to be like this, you'll have to go as precise as possible for the prompt. And right now, you don't even have to write it on your own. All you have to do is to simply tell your ChatGPT what are you trying to get, and it will give you the prompt as just as it gets. Simply after that, download the video whatever you like, 720p, 1080p to 70p. You can download the clip, use it in your shorts, ads, YouTube, intros, Instagram reels, anywhere. Listen, I've been editing videos since the Final Cut 7 days. I've never seen a tool like this. We're not just talking about AI writing scripts anymore. We're talking about AI making films. If you're not experimenting with tools like View right now, you will be playing catch up 6 months from now. This is the kind of shift that changes how creators work forever. So, if this helped you, hit that like button. If you're serious about AI tools for creators, subscribe. Next week, and comment below with your wildest view prompt idea. I'll pick one and bring it to life in the idiot. See you in the next